So in this video, you'll learn how to switch between navigation gestures and buttons on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to simply open the Settings app, and then you want to scroll and select Display. Under Display, look for the option Navigation Bar and select it. From here, you can see the navigation buttons and the swipe gestures. So currently my system is using buttons as my navigation system. So if I tap on these three lines here, I open up the apps running in the background or the recents window. If I tap on this square icon here, I go home. And if I tap on this arrow pointing left, I go back. And so that's how the navigation buttons work. But if I want to switch to swipe gestures, then all I need to do is simply select that option. Once I've selected it, if it's your first time, you will be taken through a tutorial on how to navigate through it. So just tap on OK. And then at the very bottom, in the center of the screen, where the taskbar used to be, you should see the swipe gesture option. So if you want to swipe up to exit the Settings app, just do so like that, and you'll have successfully exited the Settings app. If you want to navigate back, all you need to do is just swipe from the left or from the right side of your screen, and you'll be taken back. And if you want to open the recently opened apps or the recents window, all you need to do is on the swipe bar itself, swipe up to the middle of the screen until you see all the apps that are currently running in the background. Then you can go ahead and close them or whatever it is that you wanted to do. If you want to switch back to the buttons, then you can just go ahead and select it and you'll switch back to the navigation buttons. Bear in mind that with the navigation buttons, they will be put on the right side of the screen, and in the center, you'll have the taskbar. So if you don't want the taskbar to appear, you will have to disable it. And so that's how you can switch between navigation buttons and swipe gestures on your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.